I've been in the food and beverage industry all of my life, and I'd always wanted something of my own, but truthfully, I think I was too scared. I didn't think I could do it, even though I'd run other people's businesses before. But in 2020, I lost somebody really special to me, and it made me realize that life is short, and we have to do the things that scare us. In 2020, we started off with the ice cream truck, and it's been a great journey since then. Our ice cream flavors are all rooted in nostalgia. We really just love bringing people back to their childhood. For some people, that could be Captain Crunch cereal milk, and for others, it could be the White Rabbit milk candy. There is something so magical about ice cream. I wish everybody had the opportunity to stand on the other side of the ice cream counter and just see people's faces light up and all of their day's problems melt away. Ice cream is magic. My experience working with Business Link has been amazing. It's transformed my home business. My Business Link advisor was a superstar. Truthfully, I was a little bit lost in how to improve my online presence, but he was fantastic. He provided me so much information, so much guidance, and really incredible resources that were specific to not only Edmonton, but also to my industry. Business Link and the Canada Digital Adoption Program helped me improve my social media. Our social media got a huge upgrade, and now we're reaching new audiences. We have a much larger reach.